complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome everyone, and welcome Nexo. Today is a listening class to hear what you learned in context and reinforce it through several conversations.
Great. Emma, I am ready to listen and practice.
First, we will review vocabulary, bathroom objects. Next, we will practice grammar, prepositions of place.
That sounds useful for real situations at home and outside.
Exactly. So listen for useful words and places as we start the main dialogues. Getting ready in the bathroom. Where is my toothbrush?
It is in the cup next to the sink.
Thanks. And where is the toothpaste?
The toothpaste is on the shelf under the mirror.
Is my towel on the door?
Yes, the blue towel is behind the door.
Do we have toilet paper?
Yes, it is under the sink.
Great. I am ready now.
Good. I need the shower in 5 minutes.
Setting up a home office. Where is the charger?
It is on the desk next to your laptop.
Thanks. Where are my headphones?
They are in your bag under the chair.
Can you put the phone in front of the computer?
Sure. It is in front of the screen now.
Where is my notebook?
It is between the 2 books on the shelf.
Perfect. My call starts now.
Good luck. I will be in the kitchen.
Buying toiletries at a pharmacy. Hello. Where is the toothpaste?
It is on the top shelf next to the toothbrushes.
Thank you. I also need shampoo.
The shampoo is in the next aisle.
Do you have small soap for travel?
Yes, the small soap is under the shampoo.
And where are the small towels?
They are between the shampoo display and the mirror display.
Great. I have everything now.
Good. Please pay at the counter.
Visiting a friend's apartment. Hi, your apartment is nice.
Thanks. You can put your coat on the chair.
Where can I put my shoes?
Put them next to the door, please.
May I use the bathroom?
Of course. It is behind the white door.
Where is the towel?
A clean towel is under the sink.
Thank you. That helps.
No problem. Tea is on the table.
Packing at airport security. Excuse me. Where do I put my bag?
Put your bag on the tray, please.
I have shampoo and toothpaste in this small bag.
Please put the small bag next to your shoes.
Where is my passport?
It is in the front pocket of your bag.
Should my phone go in the tray too?
Yes, put it between your bag and your jacket.
Okay, everything is ready.
Great. Please stand in front of the scanner.
Doing laundry. Hello, where are the empty machines?
2 empty machines are next to the window.
Do I put the soap in the machine?
Yes. Put it in the small cup on top.
Where do I put the coins?
Put the coins in the slot under the screen.
Is the start button between these two buttons?
Yes. Press the green button in the middle.
Great. How long is the wash?
30 minutes, and the chairs are in front of the dryers.
Nice work today, Nexo. Because real dialogues help us understand words in context.
Thanks, Emma. The conversations made the words easier to remember.
Keep listening to simple, everyday English and notice where things are.
I will practice again later.
Goodbye, Nexo, and goodbye to everyone watching.